To get that real cinematic feel in your home cinema, you need bass. And to do that, we use subwoofers.
AWE presents Smart Home Essential Series.
4 things to consider when specifying subwoofers for your home cinema. If you want a clean look with no clutter in your home cinema, you can use in-wall subwoofers. These are normally passive, so you'll have to add subwoofer amplifiers back at the equipment location. If you want that super low trouser shaking bass and don't mind seeing subwoofers or have a way of concealing them, then active subwoofers are the best option. If you're using in-wall passive subwoofers, you'll need to run speaker cable from the sub-amp location to the subwoofers. Use an installation cable that meets any fire regulations that's low smoke, zero halogen, so in the event of a fire, it doesn't give off any toxic fumes. For an active subwoofer, you need to use subwoofer cable, which has an RCA connection on each end. Obviously, these are available pre-terminated, but a better option for installation is to use a satellite aerial cable. Again, make sure it's low smoke, zero halogen if it's being run through the fabric of the building. You may think, I don't need much bass, surely a single subwoofer is enough. Or I've got 1500 watt sub, that's gotta be enough to fill a room. In both these scenarios, it simply isn't true. Bass reacts with your room, reflecting off walls, ceilings and floors. Acoustic absorption doesn't affect these frequencies, they just get reflected back. This creates peaks and null spots in your room. So in some positions you'll hear loads of bass, in others very little indeed. Putting multiple subwoofers in multiple locations will minimise this, giving a more even bass response for all your seating positions. 2 subwoofers should be the minimum, but ideally 4. So you've got at least 2 subs. Where do you put them? Well, spread them out as far from each other as you can. So one at the front of the room and one at the back, or either side of your cinema. To get more bang for your buck, you can utilise boundary gain by placing subwoofers in the corners of the room. Sound reflects off the nearest 2 walls and the floor. These first reflections all arrive to the listener pretty much at the same time, so they sum together, giving you about 9 dB extra for free. So for powerful, evenly distributed bass, use 4 subs, 1 in each corner of the room.
Check out more videos below and please support our channel by hitting the like button. To stay up to date with our latest videos, remember to subscribe and check the bell icon so you get notified whenever new content is released. If you have any questions, let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching.